right here you'll see I'm approaching the on-ramp for I-215 eastbound. I see oncoming traffic coming, so I yield for traffic at the yield sign where I'm rear-ended by a white Ford Fusion. Momentarily you'll see the woman pull up in front of me on the on-ramp, and she will get out of the vehicle. She checks damages on her vehicle, and she really doesn't acknowledge any damage on my car, nor did she care. In a few seconds, she'll see that I'm on the phone, and she yells at me who I'm on the phone with, and I told her I'm on the phone with the police. And she screamed at me. She said, "I'm not sticking around for the police." And she gets in her car, drives off, where you will see in a second where she almost hits 3 other vehicles. After I lost her on the interstate, I ended up meeting Nevada Highway Patrol at a close-by convenience store where they took a police report. The back of my trunk was completely smashed in. On the way home, my trunk flew open on me, and I ended up having to pull over and duct tape the back of my car. But right now, my car is sitting at a local shop where it's getting worked on. But I hope you guys have a happy holidays.
What the What the Holy shit.
CBS saying they have 44,000 facilities and will put 9,000 pharmacists on the road to give
when I'm asked for registration and stuff. I saw it. That Mercedes hit it.